Hello everybody, today we make a cabbage roll soup. For the ingredient we got diced plum tomato, cabbage, chicken stock, arborio rice, Italian hot sausage, onion, bell leaves, and oye baby flake hot pepper. I don't want to miss this one because this it make all the dish. Okay, we start to chop the onion. I cut like a sliced onion. Like it not gotta be really thin because this after you cook everything nice and beautiful. It come nice and soft on the soup. Okay, now we take this piece out. And what I want to do, I take a little piece. This it's hard for the soup, and I take it out all the way around. Now we cut this in half. And I cut this in half again. And I want to take this piece out, each one, like this. And we slide this one like this. And we cut the rest of the cabbage the same way. Okay, now we start with the sausage first. Because the sausage in Italy, like me, Italiano. If the sausage is hot, you got oil baby inside. And we start with a little oil. The gas is on. I want to start nice color the sausage first. But the sausage you gotta be like all scrambled, really good. And let's put the sausage on the pots. And we start turn. To make sure the gas is not, we put on medium. Okay, now look at the sausage, how beautiful look now. I want to put one more drop of oil. Okay, and now I want the onion together to cook a little bit more. Good. Now we give a nice turn. Okay, now the onion saute, and now it's the time of the cabbage. And we put this now inside. And now we give a little mix, but you gotta start to warm up really good before you start to go down a little more. Okay, now the cabbage is nice do. And we put the diced plum tomato, the bell leaves, and I got the flake of hot pepper. And now we give a nice turn everything. We leave it stay a little bit. After we gotta put the chicken stock. Okay, now it's the time of the chicken stock. Okay, this I need more chicken stock. Okay, see, one time I put the rice you cook, you need more chicken stock. And I got a chicken stock right over here. Put the gas on. And I want to warm up before I put it inside the bigger pots. Good. Now what happened, I got 1 cup of rice. One time you cook this, you need more liquid. Okay, I see over here, you got a lot of cabbage. We raise the flame over here. And we leave warm up a little bit more the chicken stock before I put it on this pot. Okay, now this is boiled. This is really hot. And let's put the rest of the chicken stock on this bigger pot. Oh, it's good now. Look at this. When I put the rice inside, and the rice start to go, start to grow up. And like this, the soup. Look how beautiful now. Okay? Oh, you see? Now the cabbage it can start to swim. Everything. The diced tomato swim. The sausage too. And now we cook a little bit of this, and after go the rice. Now the cabbage was cooked for 15 minutes. It looked so beautiful, and now it's the time of the rice. Okay, we give a nice turn everything, and now we gotta wait for the rice to be cooked. Okay, so all done. Now it's the time to eat, and my wine is already in the glass over there. Thank you very much to prepare my glass. Thanks. Now look at this parts, oh boy. Look how beautiful, oh so nice. The arborio, it was cooked for 15 minutes. It's really, really good. Now let's see, oh look at this. Good. Look at the color, look at everything. Beautiful color, and this color together, it go really good. Watch it, Pasquale, it's really hot, huh? Really good, the little spice, not too much. The rice, it's a cook. The cabbage, it's really delicious. And with a glass of wine, it go really, really good. Salute e cincin everybody. Please make this dish. It's really good. Thank you very much. Salute cincin. Salute a tutte quante. Thank you. Hello everybody. Today we'll make a roll up cabbage soup. No, I make a mistake. Hello everybody. Today we make a cabbage roll soup.
Oh, you see?
We cut the cabbage the same way. We cut the cabbage the same way.